Why prioritization matters in digital task management.
Effective task prioritization is key to getting the most important things done. With so many tasks competing for your attention, digital to-do apps help you organize and focus. Prioritizing ensures urgent and high-impact items are completed first, reducing stress and increasing productivity. Taking advantage of prioritization tools and apps can transform how you manage your work and personal life.
Understanding the Eisenhower Matrix.
The Eisenhower Matrix is a proven approach to prioritizing tasks. It divides tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. This helps you decide what to do immediately, what to schedule, what to delegate, and what to drop. Using this method brings clarity to decision-making and keeps your focus on what truly matters.
Integrating prioritization techniques into to-do apps.
Many digital to-do apps offer features inspired by techniques like the Eisenhower Matrix. Look for custom labels, priority flags, or color coding options. By assigning tasks according to importance and urgency, you can visually organize your list. These tools make it easy to see your top priorities at a glance, ensuring important tasks don't get lost among less critical items.
Practical steps to prioritize tasks effectively.
Start by listing all your tasks in your chosen app. Next, evaluate each task using a method like the Eisenhower Matrix. Assign priority levels or labels in the app to match their urgency and importance. Review your list daily, moving tasks as their priority changes. Consistently updating and organizing your tasks helps you stay on top of deadlines and long-term goals.
Maximizing productivity with regular reviews.
Make a habit of weekly and daily reviews to adjust your priorities as circumstances shift. Digital to-do apps often let you reschedule, archive, or reorganize tasks quickly. Reflect on your progress and reorder tasks to keep your workflow relevant and efficient. This simple routine helps you adapt to new demands and maintain a sense of accomplishment.